Kentucky Sheriff and his chief deputy both pleaded not guilty in court today.
WDRB Stefan Johnson takes us through arraignment in a Nelson County courtroom.
The Nelson County Sheriff and his chief deputy were in court on Thursday for arraignment. And as you're about to hear, things got heated when attorneys argued over pretrial motions.
I don't believe that they should be treated any differently. I think we all don't want them to be treated any differently than any other defendant.
Nelson County Sheriff Raymond Pinaroa and his chief deputy Brandon Bryan made their first court appearances on Thursday.
First thing is, they're presumed innocent, as the court is well aware. And we are completely ignoring that by saying they're not allowed to speak to each other in the performance of their duties.
Amanda Hernandez-Troutman is the special prosecutor in the case and hit the ground running with some bold pretrial motions.
I would ask for no contact with the co-defendants. They're alleged to have committed these crimes against the Commonwealth and against this county together. And I think that it would protect the Commonwealth from further victimization if they were not allowed any contact.
This is part of a whistleblower lawsuit claiming the men punished a detective who reported a supervisor for breaking the law. The complaint alleges Sheriff Pinaroa and Chief Deputy Bryan illegally sold vehicles from the Nelson County Evidence Warehouse.
Two of the allegations in this case involve impounded vehicles that were impounded in connection to criminal cases. One, a drive-by shooting. A vehicle was used in a drive-by shooting. And the sheriff's office impounded it and then sent a letter to the owner that if you want this vehicle, you need to come and get it.
There's not going to be any kind of retaliatory action taken on any level by any person.
Both men pleaded not guilty and will be allowed to stay on the job, but Special Judge Elise Spainhauer admonished them regarding actions against the detective behind the allegations.
I don't want any hostile comments. I don't want any out of the ordinary scheduling. Anything that could be construed as being a punishment for being listed on this indictment.
Attorneys for both men call the charges baseless and say the allegations simply drag two officers with impeccable reputations through the mud.
The years of trust they have in him shouldn't go away simply because someone's alleged some bogus charges. And that's what they are.
Right now, the case is set to go to trial on October 27th. Stefan Johnson, WDRB News.